Hello Kutties, are you ready for some craft time? So let's get started. For this craft, I'm going to reuse an apple carton and make something out of this. We need only one part of this apple carton, so cut out one part of it first. Now this is ready and now we need to color this first. We are going to use black acrylic color for coloring this. Allow this to dry. If you want, you can color on both sides. Now use two ice cream sticks and also paint them with black acrylic color. While these dry, we will see some facts about tortoises. That is what we are going to make. Hello Kutties. This is a tortoise and it is a reptile. Tortoises have been on this earth from nearly 200 million years ago. They live up to 90 to 200 years. They are herbivores. They have a shell which is made up of 60 interconnected bones. They can hide their head, feet, and tail inside the shell. The shell has scales called scutes. The outer part of the shell is called carapace, and the underside of the shell is called plastron. They do not have teeth. These are the differences between a tortoise and a turtle. Please pause the video to see the differences. In this slide, you will see the types of tortoises. Hope you enjoyed watching some of the facts about tortoises. Now let us proceed with our crafting. I have cut the ice cream sticks into 4 pieces and I'm going to use a glue gun to stick them to the underside of the shell. If you want, you can use Fevicol, but you should allow it to dry completely before using it. Now you see that I have stuck the ice cream sticks and these will act as legs. I am now using Fevicryl molded. I am going to mix equal part of this to make a dough. Once the dough is ready, I am going to keep 3/4 of it for the head and 1/4 of it for the tail. Make a cone shape for the head as shown in the video. Now we are going to stick the head like this. We are going to use Fevicol for sticking the head. I hope you are enjoying doing this. While pasting the head, you push some of the molded into the underside of the shell. Before the molded clay dries, use a lollipop stick to make impression of the nose. Use a pen refill to make impression of the eyes. For making the impression of the mouth, use an ice cream stick. For the tail, use the remaining 1/4 to make a teardrop shape and stick it with the help of Fevicol. Allow the clay to dry, and after that you can paint with black acrylic color. After it dries, use Fevicryl Gold Dust and dab some gold dust on the tortoise. Now the tortoise is ready. Hope you all enjoyed watching.